Hey guys, so I just got out of the shower. I'm heading over to Jerry Rod's house for the night. It's 3 o'clock right now, and yeah, I'll be over here in about 4. So I'm gonna eat some breakfast. Well, not breakfast, more of a late lunch. I'm gonna go upstairs to get something to eat. Brush my hair because I haven't combed my hair yet, and then I'm gonna slowly pack up my things and get ready to get picked up, cause yeah. So anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey, what's up, guys? So I just got out of the shower. Well, not just got out of the shower, but I've been out of the shower for a while now. And I'm putting on my deodorant finally, because I wanted to eat first and then get dressed. And I just want to put on some deodorant, and I didn't even realize that the Old Spice deodorant, when you first open it, has a picture of a, I don't know how well you can see that. There's a picture of a boat, sailboat or ship. I didn't even know that they have those on the Old Spice, because I have this one. I bought it, obviously. And yeah, I didn't even realize that there is a picture of a boat that they printed on the deodorant stick. So I just want to show you guys if anybody, if you've never bought like an Old Spice stick before and you've never seen that. I mean, I'm probably looking like a complete idiot right now, but I've never. Alright, so I'm all packed up with all my stuff. Got my backpack right there. Gobbles isn't going again. Sorry, Gobbles. And I got my shoes on. And I'm ready to head out. Change of plans. Well, not really change of plans. They're more like behind schedule. Well, I wouldn't even consider it that either. They're not gonna be here for like another like 45 minutes. So this is what my street looks like. I live on the corner of a street, kind of. It's like an off street, of an off street. Cars coming. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just waiting for my ride. Probably gonna play a bit of video games before he shows up. Yes. Yeah. So J-Rod, here at J-Rod's house, and immediately as I get here, we're doing some dirt bike / tractor riding. While he's doing the dirt bike riding, I'm doing the tractor riding. And he's getting his muddy boots on. And he's going to retie my shoes so I can go out in the tractor.
Grab my GoPro real quick.
And he's got his GoPro, and I got my laptop on me, so that way I'll be able to put his footage with my vlog. So that way we'll be able to make a little video. That's his GoPro right there. Pretty snazzy. There's helmet, also pretty snazzy, a little bit scary too. Has a little devil on it. Oh, you mount on the side?
Yeah, that way, because the visor be in the way if I put it on the top.
Oh, yeah.
So I just threw it on the side.
Well, no. There you go. So Jared's in his gear. And we're gonna go riding. Yeah. If you can. Hawk and Jared. He's sick. Awesome. Nice. Fail. I gotta do a tree. Oh, that was fast. Damn. Dude, that was crazy. You're that was cool. Go around in circles. So Jared is coming back around. He's gonna go up a little bit and then he's gonna go full speed up here. I'm gonna be the one to catch it all on tape. Hopefully it doesn't take forever for you to get back. Here he comes. Oh no, oh, he's not going that fast. Oh, never mind, he's going pretty fast. I just barely got this, but Jared did a burnout and this is the aftermath.
Oh, dude, you didn't get it on video?
No, you started doing it and I was just about to put it on camera.
Oh, well, I'll just do another one.
Quick. Alright, so my apologies, wasn't able to get that rest of the footage up because as soon as Jared did that one last jump over the fire pit, my camera died, so hopefully I got that last one. Anyway, we are now in his room, played Forza Horizon. Jared's gonna show me a card that he made that looks exactly like Speed Racer. If you guys don't know who that is, go look it up. Oh wow. Nice, look at that. So, about to use Jared's Soda Stream, and I'm looking at all their flavors right now.
Tighten this. You know what? Forget it. One, two, three, four.
Jeez, you sound like a train.
Me?
So he's putting it, we're putting it orange?
You haven't put in orange, energy, and fountain mist.
Was that, it tastes like Monster?
The energy itself tastes like Monster, but we're adding 3 flavors.
Oh boy. Now he's adding
Fountain mist.
fountain mist flavor,
What?
which is like Mountain Dew. Looks like he's been doing his laundry.
Laundry, laundry, laundry. Please don't spill, please don't spill, please don't spill,
Put in the third and final flavor. This one's the energy.
No, no.
No. Stop.
Alright, so now we got ourselves an interesting drink.
Now we must mix it, shaken, not stirred. Jared's trying to drink. Well?
What?
So I'm gonna try a homemade Monster. Wow. That's actually really good. Thanks, Jared. So we hooked up a trailer.
Oh, dude, it's soaked.
Get it out. Oh. And so we hooked up a trailer to the lawnmower. And we're gonna take turns riding the lawnmower while somebody rides in the tractor.
Going on a tractor ride. What?
Woohoo! Hell yeah, nigga!
Alright back there?
Oh yeah! Hey, what's up, guys? So I don't know how well you can see me right now. I'm sorry I haven't been getting a bunch of footage. It became a little dark and we weren't able to do anything. I didn't film anything. I did get some footage of well, I didn't get any footage, but all we did was shoot some BB guns again, which you couldn't see anything anyway. Even like we couldn't really see anything, so we weren't really doing that much. And then we just hung out and talked for a little bit because Dim Bears came over to Jared's house. So, and me and Jared the past couple hours have been playing Skate 3 and other games. Right now Jared's in the shower as I speak. He's probably coming out now in a minute. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. It's 10:30 right now at night. And yeah, we're just chilling in Jared's room. Wow. Anyway. Hey guys. So, Jared's been in the bathroom. Still, and I've decided to play a different game. And I'm playing, this time was just up. I was playing, well, I am playing now GTA 4. Nico. Oh, actually it's the Lost in the Damned now. And I'm gonna play a little bit of this because I no longer feel like shooting things. I mean, skateboarding anymore. I feel like shooting stuff and causing chaos. So I'm gonna play a little bit of GTA. You can't see us. We can see you. And we're watching TV.
We can see you.
Yeah, meeting the camera.
That's just creepy as hell.
But anyway.
You can't see us, but we can see you.
We are watching
Jersey Shore. Jersey Shore, folks.
What? No, we're not watching Jersey Shore.
Yeah, we are.
We're watching Super Super.
Nope, Jersey Shore.
Yeah, fuck that. But anyway, we are both really tired. We're both going to sleep. So we're going to sleep. So, Jared and Liz, what do you want to say to the camera before? To everybody before you shut it up? Alright, like, and I say, peace out, guys. Thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. And subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you tomorrow. I can't really do the fist thing because, well, the pound dog, because, well, you can't see me, so it's not worth it. And I don't feel like I'm putting the light on right now, so I'm just gonna give you a pound dog. You're not gonna be able to see me do it. So, good night. I'm probably